How to create Canva Slideshow video for beginners 2023. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. I bring you back with yet another video, and in this video we're going to be talking in great detail and depth about Canva Slideshow video for beginners. And I'm going to be talking to the full depth on how we're going to allow ourselves to do this, and it's going to be really simple and really easy. So please do make sure to fully watch this video till the end to get the whole full scale detail of how we're going to allow ourselves to do this. So yeah, but without further ado, let's just get straight into this video. Now, to start things off, what we're going to do is we're going to come over to the video template, and here it says, create blank. So we're going to do exactly that. Okay. And you can also open up a new different design. So obviously we've opened up the video editor in terms of height and width. Now in terms of height and width of the video, it makes a 1920 by 1080, but you can obviously go ahead and change things about that by browsing different templates. Okay, but yeah, this is your basic video design editor, and you can edit it for yourself in the easiest way with different designs that you have. So when it comes to creating slideshows, you can add different elements, different designs. So let's say I'm going to come over to elements over here, and I want to create some slideshow of, let's say zoo animals. I'm going to click on zoo animals, and you can start adding photos of these zoo animals. So I'm going to go on see all, and here, let's say I'm going to add this koala bear. Okay. And once you do that, you're going to expand the image. Let's say I'm going to increase the size over here, and then we're going to increase the size. There we go. Then once you do that, make sure to keep a little space, in the end, so we can, make transitions better. Then you're going to add another photo, and then keep this on the right hand side. Okay. And do the same, expand it. And once it's expanded from there, just keep it to the right hand side so you can get some space for the design's royalty. Okay. And once we do that, create another, and then you can add more animals. Let's say I want to add these flock of penguins. You can keep this, obviously increase the size, keep this in the center. Let's say there we go. And once you do that, basically, wait, let me just make it a bit smaller. Yeah, okay. Now, once you do this, tune down the transparency a bit. And once you tune down the transparency, you're going to use the exact same photo, make it a bit smaller, and add it. So basically, as you can see, what we're doing is we're, adding different designs and different widgets into this just so, it looks much better, much simpler, and much more, you could say, fun to actually interact with or look at. Then we can, add different images of lions and tigers. So let's say I'm going to add this image of a lion and bring it to the top over here. Then we're going to come here, and I'm going to an image of a tiger. So I'm just going to, there we go. So you can decrease the size to look like that. Then you can add another blank page, and in another blank page you can add more widgets of design. So basically this allows you to just have an overall pretty good scheming of the design. Now, you know, for these things that we did, first of all, wait, let me just go ahead and delete this page. Yeah, there we go. Now for these things that we did, first of all, you're going to come to this page, and once you come over here, you're going to click on animate. And once you're over here, you can see what looks better. Now, in this case, obviously there's a few features, but the best feature would be slide. That's why I made you, keep it on the slide section. So to choose the slide on this, wait, let me just open this up, click on animate, and you're gonna find a slide where it comes from left to right and not pan, a proper slide. So, slide can be found somewhere over here. And if it's not, you can actually search it up, okay, and you're gonna get it. But yeah, you can also go with wipe if you want to, or drift. Drift relatively is a pretty slower version, so either with pan or you can go with the wipe. But yeah, you can also increase the speed, but for that you do need the pro version. But yeah, that's basically the first design that you can go with. And once you've chosen drift, we're going to take the time down to 2.5 seconds, apply it to all pages. Once we do that, then comes, this design. And obviously, once you're using your transitions, it's pretty important to, add the best of the transitions that you can. And, you can also find transitions over here. And here's the slide transition, for example. Let's say I'm going to add the slide. Then you're going to come here. Then once you've added the slide transition into that, it's going to slide to this next design. Okay. And once you've done that, you can also add color wipe, by the way. Like, you don't necessarily just need to add slide. Like, let's say we're going to add this, and it's going to color wipe to that. But as you can see, slide would look much better because it just, keeps a distance off of it. So it would slide to that. And then for the next design, you can, use something really fun. So once this slides, like you can see that this slides to this, you can basically add another animation for this. So wait, let me just see how things look. So you can see how that looks. If that looks a bit choppy, you can obviously go ahead and delete the animation for it, because sometimes the animation messes things up. So, choose on wipe, and I'm going to remove the animation. Now let's see. So, that looks much better. Color wipe would look pretty good as well. But yeah, you can add animations on this widget as well, or transitions. You can see that it basically, does this. So pretty neat, pretty good stuff. And I would recommend Flow for this type of design. And then finally, you have this over here. So you can add a transition over here. And, you know, it just brings in the different photos that it has. And, Flow is a pretty good one. So basically, once you've, added your photos and transitions, this is what it's going to look like. So it comes over here, goes over here, and then goes over here. So you get the point, and you can just keep on adding more and more images and transitions like this, just to make your design look much better, much more, fancy and all. And once you've done that, basically, yeah, that is it. That is how you have your Canva slideshow in the easiest, most simplest way possible.
So, I hope this tutorial was extremely helpful to you. And if you need any more videos like this, please do tell me. I am always available and I will give you the easiest step-to-step guides for any type of videos that you demand. And if you have any queries regarding this video, you can let me know down in the comments. And yeah, I guess I'll see you next time. Before signing off, please like and subscribe to the channel, and leave down a nice comment if you watch the video. And please don't forget to share this video with any of your friends in need or your family. And I hope you all have a great day. So until next time, I'll see you later, and goodbye.